Introduction of tenses. Tenses show when an action happens, past, present, or future. We use them to make it clear when something occurred, is occurring, or will occur, helping us understand the timeline of events in a sentence.
Types of tenses. There are three types of tenses: present, past, future. Present have four branches, namely present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Same like present, past have four branches like indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Same like that, future have four branches, namely future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous.
Present indefinite tense. Introduction. Present indefinite tense explains a state or an action takes place regularly, never or several times, facts, habitual actions, taking place one after another and an action set by a timeline or schedule.
प्रेजेंट
Identification in
इंडेफिनिट
Urdu.
टेंस की पहचान उर्दू फिक्रे के आखिर में ता है, ती है, ते हैं, ता हूँ, ते हो वगैरह के अल्फाज से होती है। मिसालें: अहमद खत लिखता है, लड़के शोर नहीं मचाते हैं, नजमा कपड़े कब धोती है।
Identification in English. Positive sentences. First form of verb. First form of verb plus s, es. Negative sentences. Do, does and first form of verb. Interrogative sentences. Do, does and first form of verb. How to construct a sentence. For positive sentences, subject plus verb key, first form, s, es plus object. For negative sentences, subject plus do, does plus not plus verb key, first form, plus object. For interrogative sentences, do, does plus subject plus verb, first form, plus object plus question mark. For double interrogative sentences, W family plus do, does plus subject plus not plus verb, first form, plus object plus question mark. Key points. Use of do or does. Remember, do is used for I, we, you, they and plural nouns. Key points. Use of es, es is used for the verbs that end in sh, ch, ss, s, x, o etc. S is used for the verbs which do not end in sh, ch, ss, s, x, o etc.
वो अच्छी किताबें पढ़ता है, he reads good books, नसीमा सच बोलती है, नसीमा always speaks the truth, वो वक्त पर स्कूल आते हैं, they come to school in time, मैं सुबह सवेरे उठता हूँ, I get up early in the morning, जल्दी का काम शैतान का होता है, haste makes waste, गरीब डाकिया बड़ी मुश्किल से गुजर बसर करता है, poor postman hardly makes both ends meet, यह दिलचस्प किताबें हाथों हाथ नहीं बिकती हैं, uninteresting books do not sell like hot cakes. सब लड़के शरारत नहीं करते हैं, all the boys do not make mischief. हम किसी को खामखा तंग नहीं करते हैं, we do not tease anyone for nothing. बच्चे आंख मिचोली कहाँ खेलते हैं, where do the children play hide and seek. डाकिया इस गली में कब आता है, when does the postman come in this street. क्या बादल जोर से गरजता है, does the cloud thunder loudly. क्या गर्मियों में ओले पड़ते हैं, does it hail in summer.